Hello, I am so excited today because I have a bunch of Series 2 Micromallows to open. Series 2 just came out in Australia last week and I've been racing around the shops to try and track it down. I have 18 Mystery Micromallows to open up, as well as 2 new box sets. Now I am going to start off with the mystery capsules because I'm just so excited to find out who I got inside. There are 24 possible Micromallows and I am absolutely in love with these 4. The little dragonfly, so cute. I need it for my dragonfly family hidden back there. The little purple ice cream, absolutely need it. Also, how beautiful is that cream moth? I'm pretty sure that's Barrett the moth and I don't own a single Barrett. And then the 4th one that I really want is this little pink and purple Yeti. So they are my top tier. I really want them. Then in the 2nd tier, I would also really like the cute little pink dog and this little antelope wearing a crown. Adorable. And in this 2nd tier would also be this aardvark, but as you can see, I'm holding one. So I have already opened 5 of these mystery capsules. I did some videos on my YouTube shorts opening some mystery capsules. I'll link them below, but in those videos I got this little aardvark. This is such an adorable design. I'm obsessed with these shiny scales. Then the 2nd one I opened up was this donkey named Jason. He's a dark grey donkey. He's got a fluffy mane and little fuzz on the end of his tail. Honestly, looks exactly like Eeyore from Winnie the Pooh. Then I opened up this little lamb. It doesn't have a stomach. I always feel like kind of off about Squishmallows that don't have stomachs. So I think I'm gonna make her a little outfit because I'm just imagining pink overalls, straw hat. That would be the cutest thing in the world. Then I opened up a very sought after Micromallow. I got the Bigfoot one. Her name is Zaylee and she is very cute with all her rainbow hair. And then the final one I opened up was this really cute blue lobster. His name is Lobert. He's got little claws, little antennas, little legs, tail, light blue stomach. I love him. So I'm really hoping that I don't open up any more of these today. However, it's mystery capsules. There's a good chance I will. But hopefully it's only 1 or 2 and the rest can be new ones to my collection. So I've got 18 capsules, 6 we really want. How many will I get? Time to find out. This is mystery capsule number 1. What will the first Micromallow of the day? Are you joking me? A double on the first one. I now have 2 Lobert the blue lobsters. The 2nd Micromallow of the day is, ooh, I've got some noodles. This cute little one is called Odeon. She is a red bowl of ramen. She's got very cute little rosy cheeks, these patterns down the bottom, and then look at the detail of those noodles. Lots of noodles, little chopsticks poking out, and a chili pepper on top. Let's open up this orange one next. This is capsule number 3, and it is... Oh my god! The first one that I wanted! She looks even cuter than her picture. So this is a black antelope. She's got gold antlers and a little black sparkly crown. And she's got a blue fuzzy belly and also blue in her ears. Such a pretty little face. Also, she has a blue tail. I love the details on this one. Such a cute design. Mystery capsule number 4. Can the purple one bring me the purple ice cream? And it is, okay, not an ice cream, but still a pretty cute little guy. Oh my goodness, he's actually so cute. This is Tortuga, the alligator. He's got the popped out eyes, alligator snout, and then he has a bunch of spots on his belly. Sometimes the names of Squishmallows just make them so much better, like Tortuga. Yes, that is Tortuga. I love that his eyes are so wonky. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. I know he wasn't on my list of ones I really wanted, but he should have been. He is adorable. Mystery capsule number 5, and the first pink one is gonna be... Oh, it's a blue horse. This is really cute. Wait, is this even a horse? This is a seahorse. Wait, no, seahorses have the little square noses. She's got a really cute tie-dye belly with some purple colors in, and then the fuzzy mane. And then, what are these? This is just why I thought it was a seahorse. Because that's like a fish tail, right? And that's a fin. Can its bio tell us anything? He prefers a super chill life as a seaweed farmer. Okay, I think we can safely assume he's an underwater creature. Micromallow number 6 is 2 more blue lobsters, and they both came in green capsules. Now, in series 1, the colors didn't matter for the capsules, but in series 2, maybe they do? This could just be a coincidence. We do have one more green capsule. If this is another lobster, I'm gonna be so mad. It is. I can't look. Please tell me it's not a lobster. Oh, it's a donkey, which is another one I already have. Well, that's disappointing. Green capsule's just full of doubles for me today. Not you. Thank you. You've restored my faith in green capsules. Let's open up the other orange one. And who is it? Oh my goodness! It's the little pink dog. This little pink dog is named Saja. She has fluffy ears and a fluffy belly and a cute little eye patch. It's interesting that her ears are only fluffy on one side. On the other side, they are not fluffy at all. It's just flat. Oh, she also has a cute little tail. So excited I opened her. She's so adorable. This is capsule number 9. And it... Okay, there is something to this. Another Tortuga the alligator in another purple capsule. I got so many purple ones because, well, I like purple. But I was hoping that the purple ice cream would be in one of these. What if it's all Tortugas? Okay, let's open a pink one next. The first pink one was this horse creature. And the second one is... Wait, what? I got 1 ramen in green and 1 ramen in pink. We are up to mystery capsule number 11. And it is a pink elephant. Not another Tortuga, but not a purple ice cream. This pink elephant is named Kyla. She's a very fluoro-colored pink. Her ears are a lighter pink, and then she has a little tail with some cute fuzz on the end. Please, please, please. It is... Oh, it's another one of that deer. Oh, we have done a lot of doubles today. Also, the deers did come in different colored capsules. Okay, let's try a purple one. Please be one of my top 4. Please. Oh my goodness. So... the color thing isn't definite because we have 2 examples where the same Micromallow came in different ones. But both elephants came in purple ones. Both alligators came in purple ones. And both lobsters came in green ones. Only got 5 left now. And there are still 4 that I really, really want. Plus loads that I just haven't opened at all. Who is it? Oh my god! It's literally the dragonfly. I literally got it. And I didn't even notice. I was like, oh, who's that? I don't remember a snail being in there. No, it's literally the one you were just complaining that you wanted. Welcome, Heather, to the dragonfly family. Thank you for being here. I love her little purple belly with the blue stripes, her purple antennas, and the cutest little dragonfly wings that have got little holographic stripes on them. What a cutie. Now, could one of you come through with my ice cream, please? And it is... oh, it's corn! It's corn! So this is Louise the corn. I especially love this little fuzzy hair that she has. I guess this is meant to be the leaves of the corn that you peel back. Alright, so this is like her little day-to-day outfit. Cute little shirt. And then at night, boom! It turns into an elegant ball gown. Oh, her bio says that she is a hostess and loves throwing parties. Well, that just works perfectly. So I have 1 purple and 2 pink capsules left. I'm still really wanting the ice cream, the moth, and the yeti. And it is a little hamster named Humphrey who is pretty cute. He's got orange fur, then little white ears, and a white belly. His bio says that he likes writing scripts and plays. 2 left. Please be one of the ones I want. Who is it? Don't tell me I can't bear to look. Oh, it's another Bigfoot. It's annoying that it's a double, but I might be able to trade her for one of the ones I really want. Also, their rainbow is different. Like, this one has a pink ear, this one's is more purple. And the backs of their hair is really different too. Okay, the last capsule. It'd be really, really nice to finish off the video with somebody that I really want. A moth, a yeti. Please be the ice cream. Okay, ice cream, you can do the final reveal. Who is it it gonna be? It's Tortuga again. That would have been so beautiful if that was an ice cream. But no, just my third alligator of the day. So in 18 capsules, I got 13 different Micromallows, but that's not everything I have to open today. Let's not forget about the box sets. I found these at Big W the other day. They had 2 of each set there. I don't know if there are any more sets that I didn't see, but this is who is in each of these sets. So if you love Micromallows but you don't love mystery, you can always get these box sets. They've changed up the packaging quite a bit from the Series 1 box sets. As you can see, they are now white. We've got Cam the cat in the corner. Then look at the side. It's Cam the cat. So cute. And then on the other side, we've got a big stack of Squishmallows, looking so cute. So proud of Woxie for making her way onto the box. And then on the back, they have each of the Squishmallows in the set. Let's get them out, shall we? This one is the reason that I bought this set, the purple mushroom. This one happens to be an extra purple mushroom because some of them had blue tie-dye on their mush, but this one is completely purple. She also has a very cute little wink in her eye, and she's got a fuzzy belly. Her name is Minya, I think. Yes, Minya the purple mushroom. Then next in the set is Maui the pineapple. I feel like we're seeing a lot of Maui lately. I don't know if I'm only just noticing, but he seems to be everywhere. He's got his little green pineapple leaves, and we've got the pineapple pattern. Then we have a very popular lady, Kaden the pink cow. She is looking so cute in Micromallow form. She's got the little closed eyes, light pink for this spot here, light pink horns. We've got one ear that's pink and one that's white, and then the dark pink down here. And then she's also got dark pink fuzz on her tail to match this spot. That is just adorable. And the last one from this set is a ladybug, or a ladybird, I think they're actually called. She is a super cute design. Got little rosy cheeks, her little antennas are adorable, red belly, and then spotted red wings. Super, super cute. Oh, and her name is Trudy. So that is the first box set unboxed. And we have this box set, which I got especially for this frog. Frogs are one of my absolute favorite Squishmallows. This frog is named Deer. He is a mint frog with some black spots. I think he's a poison dart frog. He is super, super cute. And he has quickly been adopted by his 8-inch friend. Oh my gosh, look how cute they look together. That is perfect. And there is also this little clown. Now, I didn't used to be a clown fan, but recently I'm really loving clowns. Like, this is just the cutest thing ever. It's so detailed. Look at this outfit. We've got a top hat on blue fuzzy hair. He's rocking the eye makeup, got a red nose to match his red frill and red overalls. Talk about a detailed Micromallow. This is one of my favorite ones I've opened today. Alright, then the last 2 from the box. I don't know what this is. Is it a slug? Is it an alien? Is it an alien slug? Maybe it doesn't have to be one or the other. Maybe it can be both. He's got little orange antennas to match his orange stripes on the back. Whole body is blue and then light blue stomach, and he's got a tail. You see, he looks very slug-like, but the colors are kind of giving alien vibes. Oh, it says he's a slug. There you go. This is a slug. It still could be an alien slug though. Then the last one is this cute little sushi. This is really nice because it has shiny fabric in the middle here. How cool is that? And she's got a really cute little face with little eyelashes. There is the fish on the back, and her name is Solon. She really looks like a Solon. It really suits her. Well, that is all the Micromallows I have to unbox today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have opened up any Series 2 Micromallows, let me know who you opened up and what color capsule they came in, if you can remember. I'd be very curious to see if there are any more patterns of specific ones always coming in specific colors. Anyway, that's all for today. Good luck with your Micromallow hunting. Bye!